Hello, good morning from the trails. Riding gravel bike after almost a month. The bike was down with fever, not me. Yeah, the bike was not well as the derailleur was defunctional. It was losing the tension, the chain tension. Today I'm trying Redshift cruise control top grip, and I've also got the grips for the drop and a really long bar tape. It's actually really long, though I haven't installed it yet. I've used my previous bar tape. There is another upgrade on the bike, which I'll let you know shortly. So the other upgrade I was talking about is the derailleur. This is Rival 1x11. So the last one was Apex 1x11, and to be very honest, I was not happy with it. Somehow the first generation SRAM gravel derailleurs are not that good as GRX, because GRX is meant for gravel. I think these were Road group set with slightly more robust design, but I think the next generation SRAMs are better. Yeah, Tirath bar. You can never say no to the team. Your GRX never had issues, right?
GRX is made for, it's one of the best gravel
group set. And this is middle of the range, right? Yeah, I think middle range group set are better than the entry level one. Some of you would know that I already use Redshift stem. This is the suspension stem which has 20 millimeter of travel, and totally swear by this stem. This is so comfortable. Coming back to cruise control grip for the top portion. So far so good. I'm really liking the ergonomics of this, the grip. And what I'm realizing that I'm using the top portion of the bar more often now, because it's so comfortable on the entire wrist. I've also got the drop bar grip. I haven't installed it yet because I think I'll install it when I'll be on a bike trip or something like that. The really long bar tape is also very useful, because a lot of bar tape generally doesn't have enough length to cover these ergonomic top grip, so it's better to get a long bar tape. If you already have a longer bar tape, then of course it's not going to be a problem, just like I have used my previous bar tape. I don't believe in throwing stuff just because I've got a new stuff, so it's not good for the environment and not good for your pocket as well. So yeah, the really long bar tape can wait. I can install it later. Oh wow. Yeah, Rick. huge peacock we just saw.
बारिश आने वाली.
Oh.
Before rain, they dance.
So our jungle guy is saying, the wild guy is saying that the rain is about to come because peacock is happy. The dancing peacock. Yeah, so I was talking about the rival. I have slightly better expectation from rival because it's the middle of the range group set. Middle of the range group set or any component always have better value, and the higher end technology also trickles down to the middle range group sets or components. So just like on road bike, 105 is the gold standard for value for money. I feel like rival 1/11 was that, because Force 1 was the top of the range. I know the newer Apex would be much better, the 1/12, both mechanical and electronic. Though, let's see how this turns out to be in the longer run. Now on Gucci Gravel of Asola, our regular midweek route.
Coming onto this after 60 kilometers.
Yeah, so it would be a good 80-85 kilometers ride. That too on a work day. So I didn't tell who this ergonomic top grip is for from Redshift. I think anybody with a round handlebar should get this, irrespective if you are on a gravel or road bike. For the bottom grip, which is for the hoods, I think it's for someone who's into long distance riding, bike packing, etc. I think that person should get the bottom grip, which is for the hoods, because it feels like a MTB grip with some ergonomics.
जो बर्ड जो चिल्ला रही है ना, तभी ईगल बैठा हो, देखना.
कहाँ पे?
ह्यूज ईगल.
कहाँ पे?
उधर ही. Not a kite actually.
Huge eagle.
उसके बच्चे खाने आए.
From the nest. From the nest.
तभी वो bird was shouting in distress.
Yeah. Soda Jeera is now our favorite during the ride drink. Carbs plus salt.